Hello everybody, and welcome to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be making for you Canadian maple cookies. Our ingredients for today are, we've got salt and bicarbonate of soda or baking soda. We've got egg. We've got maple syrup. And into this maple syrup I put the vanilla. We've got some granulated sugar. We've got brown sugar. We've got our butter or margarine and our flour. And that's our ingredients for today. What you're also going to need is a sieve. Just a ordinary knife, a spatula and our baking spoon and our bowl. So that's what you're going to need for today. Right, so into our bowl we're going to put our butter, and our light brown sugar, and we're just going to cream this together. And if you like this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. And if you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. We do get back to you eventually. It depends how many comments we've got, but we do answer them, so don't bother think that we're ignoring you. We do get back to you. And many of you have asked us for an ingredients list, but with YouTube's regulations at the moment, until when we reach the requirements, we can't really put them up. But what I'm going to do, because quite a few people asked, we've put a shopping list at the beginning of the video, so hopefully that would help you get the ingredients what you like, and we'll put the measurements on that shopping list of what you need. So that will be coming up on our future videos. So as you can see, you don't need much mixing when you use the lighter sugar. If it was granulated sugar, then you'll be creaming it in more. So that's all your butter and sugar creamed together. Right, so that's our butter and sugar. So into that we're gonna put our egg, and we're going to put our maple syrup. I've put the vanilla into the maple syrup, so got the vanilla already added to it. We're going to stir this in. So don't worry about it looking like it's curdled. So now what we're going to do, we're going to sift in our flour a bit at a time. So as you add the flour in, it's going to get a lot stiffer. As you can see, it's getting stiffer and stiffer now. As you can see now, it's going to be really stiff. So that's all our flour gone in. Then we're going to put in our bicarbonate of soda or baking soda and salt. Then we're going to mix this in thoroughly. Right, so we've got our mixture to where we want it, and we've got our granulated sugar, which we're going to put into a bowl. So that's our granulated sugar, what we put into a bowl. And we're going to get these in about a 1 inch ball. You're going to put that in your hand. You're just going to roll it and then coat it in your sugar. And then onto your baking tray. So just roll, dip into your sugar, so give it a coating and onto your tray. Remember, you can do these any size what you want, but I'm working at about 1 inch or so. I'm just putting them about 2 inches apart from each other. Right, so we've got our first batch going in, which we've got 24 of them. So this does go a long way, so you're going to get quite a few out of it, but they'll last for a while. So we're just going to put these in. They're going in there for about 10 to 12 minutes. And we'll show you them when they come out. Right, they've been in the oven now for about 15 to 17 minutes because I made them a little bit bigger. The smaller you make them is that you need to watch the time on them. I'm going to take them out now. So that's what they look like when they come out the oven. So on one batch I've got some dark melted chocolate, So I'm just going to drizzle some over them. I was going to drizzle this over, but it's thicker than I thought, so I'm just going to put some in the centres. So that's our first batch. So we're going to let these cool down, and then we're going to put in another batch. So I'm not going to do all of them with the chocolate on it, just a few. So there you have it, our Canadian maple cookies. Thanks for watching, and if you like what you see, remember to like, share and subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and hopefully we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.